Honestly, tonight I'm like, should I even show this? The reason I say that is this is another one that is brand new but has been flying off the shelves. And because it's summer, I also will not restock this. It's going to be a one and done just because we're nearing the end of summer. And with both of the collections, Sunburst and then Hey Summer from Pretty Little Studio, they were a little bit later in coming to, in getting to market. So, hang on, that reminds me I need to plug in. A little bit later in getting to market. So since we're, like I said, nearing the end of summer, I will not be bringing any of Hey Summer back in. The big bundle already sold out. And there are a number of products in the collection that I can't even show you because they are also already sold out. Hi Tabitha, nice to see you. The clear pack. So let's start with the clear pack. Hey Summer is a beautiful collection from Pretty Little Studio. I haven't brought, no, I have brought in the clear packs. I have not brought in the vellum packs before. The vellum packs sold out right away, but look how fun that is. Just your clear acetate pieces. This one has 8, well, they say single-sided, but I mean, really they're double-sided because it's just the same thing, right? Because it's clear acetate. But these are so fun. These are great for making little like dashboards in your traveler's notebook, little dividers, clear pockets in your traveler's notebooks. This one is really fun. It has words all over it. Making little interactive elements. Even if you're working in like mini books, like a 6x8 mini book, even just like trimming them down, since these are, this is 8x9, trimming it down and punching holes. They make great, just fun pages to add right into your projects, okay? All right, so there are the last two. I love that one. Isn't that beautiful? Those floral, the floral. And then, I know, Elizabeth Ann said, wow, those are so fun, aren't they? And this one is just kind of a really neutral, just little arrows. Okay, so that is the clear pack. That is part of Hey Summer. Then we have the paper pack. So 16 sheets. 8x8, so the patterns will look similar to what you saw in the clear pack. There will be more, but obviously they're solid instead of clear. Love that little sand dollar one. We saw those too in the clear versions. This is beautiful. I love that. So pretty. It kind of reminds me of tulips a little bit, don't you think? Little beach umbrellas, which is great for beach or swimming pool. That is beautiful. It's called Catch a Wave. You can totally see that, right? That one's called Hey Summer. The words, we also saw the words in the clear pack. That is a really pretty, just a really pretty plaid. Rainbow. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Now it may look to you like it's blurry. It's not blurry. The camera's not blurry. That's just part of the artwork. So it crisps up here and then it starts to, the pattern starts to dilute a little bit. Fun hearts. A great rainbow stripe. There's that floral again. You're going to see that floral a couple of times. Sundress. Don't you wish? I wish in a dress. I'd wear it. Totally. Sundress. That's beautiful. Kind of a watercolor effect. Tote bag. That's fun. That is, we saw that one also in the clear pack. Uncharted. So just a really kind of neutral, right? So some great neutrals to pair with some really fun, bright patterns. Okay. That is the 8x8 paper pack. We're looking at Hey Summer. Hey Summer. All right, next up, we have, try to keep those in a stack. Oh my goodness, where do we even start? The 3x8 journaling cards. Now, it is possible that I am showing you some things that are sold out. I don't know. Things got a little bit crazy this afternoon. So, if any of these things interest you, especially with Hey Summer, I'd go order because they will not be around for long. Seaside, cute. So these are little 3x8s. These I think are really fun. Right in a 6x8 album, right? Punch your holes right in a 6x8 album. This one is great. That one you could cut apart for all those little tabs. Beach Life. Now you could also use these as accents on like a 12x12 layout, right? Because these would be great, 3 inches by 8 inches. They'd be great little accent pieces on a 12x12 layout. So those are the 3x8 journaling cards. Then we have, while we're talking journaling cards, we have 3x4, 4x6 cards. And this one has 25. So this little guy that we just looked at, the 3x8, there were 10 of those cards. 3x4, 4x6s, there are 25 of these little guys. So they're primarily 3x4s, but you have a couple of 4x6s. Ooh, Karen, look at, there it is again, that beautiful watercolor. Okay, so you have 4x6s, and then everything else 3x4s. So just a really great summer bucket list. Some neutrals, vitamin C is what I need, SCA. Very cute. So for your pocket pages, you can also work these into beach day. Your pocket pages, you can also work them into your traveler's notebooks, either just as an accent or by doing a waterfall like we do sometimes. Also great for your, oh, that's cute, summer photo. Also great for your, what was I just, I don't know. Oh, they could be little journaling spots on your 12x12 layouts. I think maybe that's what I wanted to say. I don't know. Okay, so those are the 3x4 and 4x6 cards. Then we have, oh, let's look at some die cuts. And I won't open all of these. We'll kind of just take a look at them. These are the summer labels die cuts. So a couple different size and shape. You have large rectangles, small rectangles, little small kind of oval pieces, circles, and squares. So you have 21 in that pack of the summer labels die cuts. We have the summer essentials die cuts. So lots of great hearts and stars and rainbows. So a pack like this, I think, is always really awesome because it works for so many different things, right? Really nothing there says summer. If you include it with your summer, other summer products, then it says summer, but standalone, nothing in there at all says summer. So from my perspective, those are always a good one to pick up because you can use them in lots of different things. Next up, we have the summer rainbow alpha dies. Let me pull just a couple of these out. I think it'll be a little bit easier to see. Oh, look at, they also have numbers. Alphas and numbers. So look at, there's an example. There's a K. And fun because you have the different like colors of the rainbow. So numbers and letters. So in that pack, you have 100. So lots of vowels and then, 2 doubles, it looks like doubles in all of the numbers. Lots of S's, lots of T's, lots of R's, lots of E's. So lots of the letters that we often need multiples of. Those are the alpha die cuts. I think those are so fun with that rainbow pattern. Lots and lots of fun. Great for titles. Okay, let's keep going if I can get that little A in there. All right, beach bits. So beach bits, if your summer, I have to be careful saying that word. Beach bits. That's like say that 3 times fast. Beach bits. It's very easily to maybe accidentally say the wrong word there. I don't want to do that. Beach bits. You know, if I keep saying it, I'm going to say that incorrectly and then I'm going to be super embarrassed. Okay. Denise, I just saw Denise's question. Will the 6x8 books fit in those envelopes? Denise, I assume that you mean the paper pads. I'm going to say, well, let's look, but I think maybe not, just because I think that they're pretty flat. So let's look at that. Yeah, those are going to be too, I think, bulky to fit in there. This would be more for your, any of your ephemera. Oh, actually, maybe I stand corrected. I do stand corrected. Look it, they do fit. Great question. Where did she go? Denise, great question. So yes, they will fit in those little envelopes. I learned something new. Well, I learn things new all the time, but I did not know that. Hi, Tracy. Nice to see you. All right, let's put that back. Right in here. All right, beach bits. See, I'm gonna end up saying it. The beach bits. If you have, well, really not even beach, right? I was gonna say maybe you need to be more beachy photos for this, but really you don't because it's really just all summer. Sunshine state of mind, little bikini, paradise, lots of fun little goodies there. A towel, a swimsuit, little umbrella. Here comes the sun, summer, another summer. This one, look at, I love that. When life gives you lemons, go to the beach, right? When life gives you lemons, go to the beach. Just a great kind of all-purpose pack of die cuts. That one is called Beach Bits. Beach Bits. All right, let me just get these put away really quickly. Oh, let's get that out of the way. That's going to be distracting. We have summer and Halloween up at the same time. I think I can get those in quickly. I think I can. All right. So next up, we will take a look at Salt Air. And Salt Air is really fun one because it is the die cut words, like great for your titles. And these are size that will work either on, well, they will work for anything. But what I love about them is they work sizing wise. They are great for your traveler's notebooks, right? You could use these on layouts. You could use them on mini books. You could use them on cards, but we love the fact that they are, oh, look at that one, is so good. Hey, Summer. Hey, Summer. That they are narrow enough and not too tall that they would work really well as accents in our traveler's notebooks. Our traveler's notebook inserts. Get away. Isn't it funny? That could be construed two different ways. Oh, let's get away, or get away. Get away, go. All right. So those were Salt Air, the Salt Air die cuts. As we keep going, you will see a few of the die cuts are also found in the clear stickers. So we'll look at all the die cuts first, and then we'll take a quick look at the clear stickers as well. All right, you have Summer Blooms. So Summer Blooms, we've seen this pattern in the clear pack, as well as the 8x8 paper pack. So just beautiful florals. What I love about this pack, again, really nothing about this says summer. It can be summer if you want it to, but otherwise they're just great florals to use for anything. I know those of you say, I don't want a fussy cut, I don't like to fussy cut. Well, there you go, already cut for you. But just beautiful, beautiful florals that are great accents, really for all of your projects. But I think for lists, super, super, super easy, because there you go. You just like put a few things down, put a few flowers down, write your list and call it good, right? All right, there's a faint little pattern on that guy. Okay, two more die cuts, and then we'll take a look at the stickers. I just love the colors, the color palette in this Hey Summer collection. It's just so soft and pretty. It's just so soft and pretty. All right, the two others that we'll look at, Pooling Around and Shoreline. Can I get those back in there? Just try to get them in really quick so I don't lose little pieces. Okay, Pooling Around. So for Pooling Around, more geared towards pool, specifically swimming pool, as opposed to beach. Okay, so you have pool day, you have a little swimming pool, little blow-up swimming pool. Oh my goodness, look at the flamingo floaty, some titles, different icons. So Pooling Around looks like that. And anything I show you guys, if I don't spend enough time on one particular product, just know that you can go to the website and see everything up close, right? You can see everything up close. So this is just more to give you a feel for color palette and what things look like in person, right? Because sometimes, well, in person, right? This is as close to in person as we're going to get. This is really shadowy. Hang on. Let me see if I move that. Still just kind of working with the lights to figure things out. Oh, I think that maybe that's a lot better. I think I was too far away. Let's see if that works better. Okay, Shoreline. So Shoreline, you have more beach related, right? Because you have little sand dollars, you have, well, really lots of shells, cute little octopus. Yeah, that one is called Shoreline. And that was the last one. That was the last of the die cuts. Hi, Kathy, nice to see you. With the last of our die cuts. Now we'll move into stickers. So starting with the definition, okay? The definition stickers. Always love the definition stickers that Pretty Little Studio does. So those are clear. So they go on clear. Whatever you put them on top of, the pattern would show through underneath. So Chill Out dictionary stickers. You have Pool Rules, also clear stickers, basically all the stickers. Well, that's not true. Most of the stickers are going to be clear, but I love this. Just super simple, black, really kind of accents whatever you put it over, right? So you kind of see the pattern underneath. So Pool Rules, there are 20 of those. Let me skip these little guys for a sec. Then we jump to Saltaire. So this is where, when I mentioned that we would also see the same thing in sticker format as opposed to die cut format. So Saltaire comes in both die cuts as well as clear stickers. So it just depends on the medium that you prefer. The clear stickers are going to be a little bit smaller, so they're scaled down a little bit more as compared to the die cuts. So those are the Saltaire clear stickers. We have the Beach Bits clear stickers. Wow. The Beach Bits clear stickers. Again, scaled down. Poolin' around, like fooling around, but pooling around, clear stickers. The Summer Blooms clear stickers. And the Shoreline clear stickers. Tracy said, like the clear, new to me product line. Yeah, the clear are fun. Now, these are, hold on, I think I said clear stickers. Let me go back, because these four are not clear stickers. They're going to have kind of the white border around. These guys are clear stickers. Okay, those are clear stickers. Alrighty, then we have the two versions of the word strip stickers. You have the white and you have the colored. These are both the same thing. Summer Memories, so exact same words. It's just these are all white, and then those come in that color palette that's part of that Hey Summer collection. And then wrapping out the Hey Summer collection, you have these guys, the Tile ABC stickers in 5 colors: Seafoam, Summer Night, Your Golden, Pool Day, and Pink Lemonade. All right, so that wraps up Hey Summer. And if you were just joining me or kind of popped in the middle of me showing Hey Summer, Hey Summer is a one and done, meaning I have brought it in, and once it is gone, it is gone. I won't bring it in again just because it hit the market a little bit later in the summer, and we are getting close to the end of summer, as sad as that makes me. Summer's my favorite season, but there's so many other products that are releasing right now that just doesn't make a lot of sense for me to reorder a summer collection. So once it's gone, and there are a number of products in that collection already sold out, including the big bundle.